Welcome to lesson 12, writing algebraic expressions. So this is also going to feel like review from a lot of what you've done in middle school math. So what I want you to see is how I'm annotating the problem to identify the key words, how I identify constants and variables, and how I accurately represent the situation as an expression. So let's start off with this first one. I'll start with annotating. Marcy determined that her father's age is 4 less than 3 times her age. So this is her father's age, is 4 less than 3 times her age. If X represents Marcy's age, which expression represents her father's age? Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, her father's age. All right, so what do we already know? We pretty much want to know which expression is her father's age. What information do we have? We know that her father's age is 4 less. So that's minus 4, then 3 times her age. So 3 times Marcy's age, and Marcy's age is X. So because of that then, I'm going to put her father's age is 3X minus 4, because is 4 less than this. So that's going to matter. So that's what I'm looking for. So let's look at our options, and we can clearly see it right here. Okay, so the most common mistake is I would probably see, depending on the age, would be this, the 4 minus 3x, which is someone just going from left to right. That would be more in middle school, but we're not making those mistakes here. All right, hit pause and jot this down into your notes. And let's just do one more. Now this is at a Regents level. Brian's hockey team is purchasing jerseys. The company charges $250 for a one-time setup. So that's important. That means it's not changing. And $23 for each jersey. And the number of jerseys is equal the total cost of X number of jerseys. All right, so I have two terms here. I have 250 and I had 23 per jersey X. Now I do want to make sure I'm writing this in standard form, so I have to put the 23X as the first term because this is a first degree, and 250 in the back to 0 degree. All right, so which one matches my answer is C. That's the one that makes the most sense. So what would be a common mistake here? It could be that some people don't know if the X goes behind the 250 or the 23. Remember, X is just the X number of jerseys, meaning is how many jerseys I'm going to buy. And it's $23 for each jersey. So that's why I have 23X. All right, but again, this is more review. We've been doing algebraic expressions since middle school, so this is just at this point you know the concept. You just want to make sure you're doing it accurately, and if you're making any conceptual mistakes, you're syncing it up now, so paying attention to language. So while you're doing practice today, make sure you have some moments to just stop, compare answers with a peer, and see that you're both aligned. And if you're making a mistake, it's probably a language mistake with like 4 less than, something like that, which when we have subtracting, the order really matters. That's it for today's lesson. It was a quick and easy one. I will see you in the next one. Be well.